Margarita. It's choreographed by Fred Whitehouse and Jean-Pierre Madge. It is a 32 count 3 wall, low improver level line dance with 3 restarts. All 3 of them happen after 16 counts on walls 2, 5, and 8. You will restart skipping the back wall. So during this dance, we will never dance the 6 o'clock facing wall. I'm going to turn around and break down each section of the dance using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall with steps and counts. We'll talk about the restarts and practice where they happen. And then we'll talk about the ending, which is nice and easy. And then we're going to go around and we're going to practice 9 walls, including all 3 restarts, so that you can rock it on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Spicy Margarita. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot into the diagonal and touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot to the side. Now we're going to weave behind side cross, behind side cross. We're going to make a quarter turn, stepping back with your left foot to face 3. Another quarter turn to step your right foot to the right side to face 6. Now we're going to do quick cross point touches. So you're going to cross your left over your right for an and count, point your right toe to the side, step your right foot next to your left, point your left toe to the side. Let's try that a little bit quicker before doing it with counts. Stepping to the diagonal, it's step, touch, side, weave, behind, side, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, point, step, point. Let's try that with some counts. Stepping to the diagonal, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So those points are nice and quick. Section 2, we're going to do a ball rock recover. As you rock to the side, you're going to want to push your hips back towards the 12 o'clock wall. So we're going to step our left foot next to our right, rock your right foot to the side, thinking on the ball of your foot, push your hips back and recover onto that left foot. We're now going to do a cross samba that's going to make an 1/8 of a turn to put you into the 7:30 diagonal. So we're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to rock your left foot to the side on the ball of your left foot, pushing your hip out, rock, and you're going to recover. That's going to put you at 7:30 as you recover. We're now going to do a syncopated rocking chair with our left foot. So we're going to step our left foot forward, recover on your right, step your left foot back, recover on your right. We're going to step our left foot forward into 7:30, and you're going to make an 1/8 of a turn as you hit your right knee up to face 6 o'clock, and that is the end of that section. Let's try that a little bit quicker before we do it with some counts. We ended that section with our weight on our right foot, left toe pointed to the side. We're going to do our ball rock, recover, 1/8 cross samba, rocking chair, and your step 1/8 hitch. Let's try it with some counts. Ended pointing our left toe to the left side, ball rock. And 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. What I do for styling and what I notice they do on the video, when I do that ball rock, I kind of like to lift my heel up a little bit. So I'm coming back like this. It causes me to push, recover, and it just kind of makes it look a little more funky. So if you would like to try that, it might help. Section 3, we ended our weight on our left foot, our right knee is hitched up. We're going to do 2 Dorothy steps. So remember, Dorothy steps travel forward to the diagonals, slightly forward into the diagonals instead of side to side. It will help with the next part if you make yours travel more forward. So we're going to step our right foot into the forward diagonal, bring your left into your right, step your right foot quickly forward. We're going to do the same thing with the left, step your left foot into the diagonal, right foot into your left, quickly left forward. We're now going to cross rock our right over our left, so you'll be stepping into about 4:30, rock, and you'll recover. You want to use this momentum to do 2/8 paddles around to make a quarter turn. We're going over our right shoulder. We're going to rock right, recover, which puts you to 7:30. Then you're going to do it again, rock right, recover, and it will put you to 9. Let's try that with some counts. We ended with our knee up, weights on your left foot. 2 Dorothys. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. So that and step is really important. You want to end that section with your weight on your left foot. Final section of the dance, we're going to do a pony step back. So we're going to step our right foot back, hitching your left knee up, Step your left foot down, step your right foot back, hitching your left knee up, and then we're going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. We're going to do a step half pivot with our right foot. Step your right foot forward, make a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight on your left foot. We're going to continue our turn over our left shoulder, making a half turn, stepping back with our right foot, and then a half turn, stepping forward with your left to face 3 o'clock and to end the dance. So let's try that a little bit with some counts. We ended rocking our right foot to the side, recovering onto your left, facing 9 o'clock. We're going to do that pony step back, back, 1 and 2, coaster, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. Let's do one wall with steps and counts, and then we will talk about where the restarts happen. Facing the front, let's do it with some steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, touch, side, weave, behind, side, cross. Quarter, quarter, cross, point, step, point. Ball, rock, recover, cross, samba, diagonal, rocking, chair, and step, 8th, hitch. Wizard and wizard, cross, rock, recover, 8th, paddle, right, pony, step, left, coaster, step, step, half, half, half. To face the next wall, where you will step, touch to the side. Let's try that with some counts. Stepping your right foot into the diagonal. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, before we go all the way around and practice 9 walls of the dance, let's talk about our restarts. Our restarts are always going to happen on our 3 o'clock wall. We will start our 3 o'clock wall, dance 16 counts to put us at our 9 o'clock wall, and you're going to restart the dance. Every single time we skip that back wall, we never have to worry about it, which is quite nice. So the restart is going to happen after we make that turn hitch. You have choices, okay? So an option is that you can do that hitch and brush your shoulder off, because every time it says, I make it look easy, okay? Or you can brush your foot and do it, brush your shoulders off. You can just hitch and then start the dance all over again. Whichever feels good for you. There is an option for both versions, so you can kind of decide what you could do. You could do a double clap, whatever feels good for you. I am going to hitch and brush my shoulder off when I remember. So let's practice that restart. Every single time it's the same restart, so it makes it nice and easy. So we're here, we would have just finished our half-half. We're going to dance 16 counts. Step, touch, side, weave, behind, side, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, point, step, point, bow, rock, recover, cross, samba, rocking, chair, and your step, hitch. This is where you're going to restart every single time. Go right into your step, touch, side, behind, side, cross. If coming from here to that step is too high, feel free to make it that brush. It will make it a little bit easier to be nice and quick, but the choice is yours. Let's go all the way around, practicing 9 walls of the dance, including all 3 restarts, so that you can dance it exactly how it is choreographed. When we go around the front wall, I'm going to do steps, and our side walls will do counts. I will call out when it's a short wall and the restart, and how you restart is up to you. If you would like to, or do whichever you please, that is what you'll do at that side wall. Starting with our weight on our left foot, we're stepping our right foot into the diagonal. Step, touch, side, weave, behind, side, cross. Quarter, quarter, cross, point, step, point, ball, rock. Recover, cross, samba, diagonal, rocking, chair, step, hitch. 2 wizards. Cross, rock, recover, 2 8th paddles, right pony, step, back, left coaster, step, step, half, half, half. Step, touch, short wall, 1 and 2. 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, restart, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, touch, side, weave, quarter, quarter, step, cross, step, point. Now we're doing our bow rock and a rock, recover, cross samba, diagonal rocking chair in your step, 8th hitch, wizards, cross, rock, recover, paddles, pony step, back into your coaster, step, half, 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 short wall, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and restart, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, touch, side, weave behind, side, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, point, step, point, ball, rock, recover, cross, samba, diagonal rocking chair, step, hitch, wizards, cross, rock, recover, paddle around, right pony step back, coaster step, step, half, 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 last short wall, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and restart, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, wizards, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, the dance ends facing 12 o'clock on your half, half. So all you're going to do is end facing the front. You're going to do your half, half, and you're just going to step and brush your shoulder because it ends saying, I make it look easy. And that is the whole dance. So I hope this really helps you learn Spicy Margarita, and I hope I get to dance with you real soon. Thanks, guys.